just try to create confusion. The woman you Kofi granting some and policies or talk about them. And so already all country is already on the field. Lala Adodan Kofi Quadri, any of Mojima, into America Sacho. When he's talking a lot about human capital. How can you get human capital? Human capital, you can get it only through education.
Yes.
And to say, who say you want to develop a human capital, and there is already a procedure on ground trying to, to build the human capital through education. And then what is the difference between what you're talking about and what is going on now? Yeah. When you actually hypocrisy, people are not admitted that there are good things going on. Support to because of okay, the convention says that the government, the actual government is not doing nothing. The desire is senior. We'll see within 6 months you're going to change Ghana and you're going to use systems every taking over everything will be one in office, any transaction that a person will do over here. Let me say, well, if that is sure, how can you do such things in Ghana if you don't have people with a kind of level education between because if you know how to use your Android phone, you can use that systems. But you know me, because that person can say this is not what you're talking about, because to use some systems you need a qualified education to use some systems. If you cannot come and just throw that in the eyes of the people, may way. Before you can do such, you need to prepare the people mentally, to keep them strong to do something. That is what Akufo-Addo is doing. The free education is a way of success of Ghana. Europe, every country in Europe, almost people how to fit track of Ghana. They could go and ask him about secondary school. We probably don't go to Germany. Every country, the world country, they have been to at least the secondary school. That gives them the knowledge to read and write and to know their rights and their duty. So Akufo-Addo policies that are on ground now are the best policies Ghana can ever have.
Thank you.
There will be a friend of Mahama from 2013 to 2014, they call IMF. People we have to work to Sumo for 4 good years. Even within 1 year, now to team manage the economy, I will say 3 months to come back. Do you know why they are complaining? Because they have seen that to do with the good management, Ghana have a lot of revenue. If they want to come and take the money, and then tell more that revenues want to Kenya, because we're not having the good policies to collect or to get those revenues. Because we need management of economy. But to be on no good management of economy, I think yes, a process we have a revenue, now you sit as I said, these people have get a lot of money. They have get money. If you have been a president of Ghana, you will have all those possibilities. Why were you not able to get those revenues? Because you are purple, you don't know management of economy. I am very sad seeing the youth of Ghana praising John Mahama, praising those inclusive 4 politicians, which you say, this man long free area. I see look at just playing with Ghanaians' mind. I see look at just playing with Ghanaians. The better I see look at Yaka as in the patriotic issue. You always talk for the party interest. I see look at you as never speech as a Ghanaian. Party.
Uncle Joe, my friend back. Hold on. You are next. I will call you back. Please let us focus on what is going on. I'll call you back. I just sent you a message.
Hello?
Uncle Joe.
Yeah, good evening.
Yeah, you are calling. I'm telling you that somebody was already on talking. I wanted them to finish so that I Messi, somebody was already making their point, but you've already gotten in. I've cut the person off, so please bring your submission.
Yes, what I want to say is that one more time, so one more answer. Watch one actually, we could you on wireless. No, so one kind of answer. Now, them Kofi Granting and some Americano. So, if you want to talk about all these things now, you have in every process, you have to look at 3 factors. Past, present, and future. Into Captain Smart, also a journalist. What does he know about Ghana? What sort of research has he done about Ghana?
So if they are talking about the youth and the problems of today, when did the problems begin? And you know, what has happened in the past, or what research have done, and you know, which is informing the present, and what is being done for the future. Budget here, education minister also they are trying to change the skill set of the youth into they are introducing science, maths, and technology in the technical education. In the present budget now, and these people say want to go, and these people are saying that they should throw things about. It's you know, and some of what they have rehearsed it. No one can. Other way, you know, or a treasonable offense, they should be arrested. It is what normal. Them four awkward. No, they are gradually incensing certain people in Ghana. They are really here. That you want to we see because what they are doing, you know, is clearly a treasonable offense. Now, them could see grant, you know, and some of he is very incoherent. He should listen to himself. He should also well-educated person. The way he's talking, you know, he should listen to himself. He's very, very incoherent. I don't know what's the way now. When you walk up there, when you have what's your phone, what they, some are working in a young city, what the some walk up. I did watch you want to them, we coach you on the warriors, the woman, and it's all NDC by propaganda. It's just like if they are talking about where Ghana is now and where the youth is now, they should look at the past. Who damaged the country? Yeah, NDC for Rollins and Albert Bottom Factory. Let me use more international tobacco, well, industrial area. Now, international tobacco, no, it was not the hand that lays the golden egg for Ghana. No one production away, you know. Government takes 70% of customs and excise duties apart from income tax, right? Or do time be crowd when the government was broke, you know, they come and take money from the company and they later on do the production to offset it. Into Rollins better than factory now, the country has been deprived of all the revenue sectors one country revenue. They've been deprived. So Ghana has been starved from revenue income for a very long time. And that is why the country is broke. And so when you begin they should go back and research why Ghana is where it is now. Rollins, one NDC and Rollins, you know, and one Ghana, your situation here, woman. Into where you was there, they haven't got anything to offer Ghana. They are what they are doing amounts to treason. They should be arrested.
All right.
Period.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's Uncle Joe. Yeah, that's Uncle Joe. There also Joe. You have also brought your submission well taken, well in. The patch, wait 2 minutes rapid fire. Mr. Mobile fire.